Hello, my name is Paul and I will show you how to utilize a simple and effective feature in the Lacerte tax program called the Missing Data Utility. The Missing Data Utility helps reduce the hassle of tracking down client data by allowing you to track and email a list of missing data to your clients. This feature can help eliminate the use of post-it notes, spreadsheets, or documents that you may currently be using to track this information. The Missing Data Utility has been recognized by your peers as one of the top 5 time-saving features in the Lacerte tax program with an average time savings of 18 minutes per return. Let me now show you how it works. It is very easy to mark an input field as missing data. Let's say the client gives you the business mileage for a vehicle, but forgets to give the total mileage. This is one example of where the Missing Data Utility can be used. From within the client's detail, right-click on the input field, in this scenario, total mileage, and choose Missing Data. The program places a red border around the input field as a visual flag to denote that this input field is missing information. Another scenario is when a small business owner pays for self-employed health insurance but does not have the exact amount for you to complete the tax return. The client may give you an estimated amount for premiums but would need to get back to you with the exact amount. The estimated amount can be entered for the time being, but the actual amount will be needed before completing the tax return. Once again, use the Missing Data Utility to tag this input field to track this information that will need to be updated. As you continue to review or input information for a client's return, tag any additional input fields as missing data, if necessary, until your review or data entry is complete. The Lacerte tax program tracks all the fields tagged as missing data, regardless of whether or not an amount is entered into the input field. So there is no need to step outside the program to update any documents or scribe on a notepad to keep track of this information. To review the missing data for a client's return, go to the Tools menu and select Missing Data. The fields that have been tagged as missing data will appear in the Collect Missing Data Utility screen. Clicking the link for the input field will jump you right to that input field. Click Send to easily communicate to your client via email the information that is needed to complete the tax return. The items tagged as missing data are automatically populated in the email for your client. You have the ability to edit the subject and body of the email message to your liking before sending the email to your client. When the requested data amounts are received back from your client, highlight the client file on the Clients tab, or access the Detail tab for the client and click the Tools menu and choose Missing Data. Alternatively, you can also go to the Diagnostics tab and click the hyperlink in the Informational Diagnostics section to access the Collect Missing Data Utility screen. Either way, click the link to automatically jump to the input field you want to enter the amount received for the missing data. After entering the amount, the program will prompt to clear the Missing Data tag. Click Yes to return to the Collect Missing Data Utility screen and select the next item to enter the missing data amount. After all the missing data tags have been cleared, the program will display a dialog box informing you that there is no more missing items from the return. Click OK to close the dialog box. Whether your office is large or small, the Missing Data Utility helps you easily tag and efficiently track input fields to help save you time when preparing tax returns. To check out other Lacerte time savings features, go to taxpro.intuit.com/Lacerte/time-saving-tools